Hi guys, I am in my mobile office, yes, where I spend most of my time. And as I do this throughout the day, visiting clients, I need protein. And I like to grab snacks that are healthy, but that give me a good pack a punch related to the protein I need to get throughout the day. And this is one of my absolute favorites. The spicy is my favorite one. And it is something that doesn't taste like cardboard. Gives me 19 grams of protein in a snack, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So if you want to win during the day, this is it.